Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between tall mountains, there lived a brave little dog named Sparky and his best friend, a curious cat named Lulu. They were inseparable, always exploring the village, solving mysteries, and having fun together. One sunny morning, while playing near the old oak tree, Lulu noticed something shiny sticking out of the ground. It was a small golden key. Her eyes widened. "This must be the key to a treasure," she exclaimed, showing it to Sparky. Excited, they decided to follow the clues hidden all around the village to find the treasure. Their first stop was the old lighthouse at the edge of the sea. The key fit into a secret box hidden behind the lighthouse's big door. Inside, they found a map with more clues. With each clue, they ventured deeper into the forest, crossed bubbling streams, and even climbed up tall hills. They met friendly animals along the way, like Terry the talking parrot, who gave them the last clue: follow the rainbow after the storm, and the treasure will be yours. As they reached the rainbow's end, they found a sparkling chest filled with gold coins, jewels, and a note that said, "The real treasure is the adventure you share with a friend." Sparky wagged his tail, and Lulu purred happily. They had found something more valuable than treasure: the joy of their friendship and the memories they made on their grand adventure. From that day on, Sparky and Lulu knew that no treasure could ever be more precious than their bond.